Hello everyone, this is Cecilia from Cisco Tech. In this video, I show you how to upgrade a Catalyst digital building switch via Web UI and CLI. If your network is live, ensure that you understand the potential impact of the upgrade, as it will require a reload of the switch. Now, you go through the installation process. Please make sure that you review the restrictions in the upgrade guide for this platform. First, log into the web user interface with your local credentials. Navigate to General Settings, then Software Update. From File Type, specify if you want to update only the Web UI software or both Cisco iOS and Web UI. Choose the tar image from your documents. Click Start Update. And then click Restart Switch. Please note that the web user interface is only available with the tar file. The tar file contains the Cisco iOS image file and the files needed for the embedded device manager. In order to upgrade the switch through the command line interface, use the tar file and archive download switch privilege command. First, ensure you have IP connectivity to the TFTP server. If you don't have enough space on the switch, you can override the current image to save space. If you have enough space on your device, you can keep the current image and download the new one. After the reload, the switch completed the upgrade. Use Show Version privilege command to verify the new version was installed. With this method, you have a boot statement that points to the bin file you want to load, and that gets loaded at the time of the boot. This file is lighter than tar file since it does not contain files for the embedded device manager. First, remove the current boot variable and save the configuration. Configure the boot variable with the bin file of the new iOS and save the configuration. Verify the boot variable is correct and proceed with the reload. Use Show Version privilege command to verify the new version was installed. You have now learned how to upgrade a Catalyst digital building switch. Check the Tech video portal for more content. Thanks for the time you took to watch this video.